to free skate.
And now the heir apparent to the Canadian throne, Lynn Nightingale, a 17-year-old from Ottawa, who's been coached by Marilyn Thompson for the past 5 years. And she has found herself in 7th position after the compulsory figures. She's really going to have to work now to get up that ladder.
And coming up, John, is one of the most difficult jumps in figure skating, especially for girls, a double axel, 2.5 revolutions. There it is. Very easily done by Lynn. Into a flying camel, her second move of the 6 compulsory moves that are required here in the short programs. Earlier in the competition, in the compulsory figures, out of the 3 figures, Lynn just literally goofed on one of them, and because of that fact, she's now trailing in 7th place. But with a performance like this, is sure to pick up. Nice delayed axel. You can see the movement, the motion of this girl when she's skating, how fast she covers the ice. There's her combination of jumps, double flip into a double loop. She's skating very well, John, and certainly should pick up.